Hey guys, today we're playing SCP game.
We're playing PP Pee Poo game.
Yeah, we're playing Pee Pee Poo Poo. Can you whistle again?
You're
Oh,
right there. You're literally, you're right.
Oh, you mean? Oh, I thought you meant like literally.
Can you
Can
blow
I
my
whistle in
whistle,
real life?
baby? Whistle, baby. Da, da, da.
Okay, Chris, do you see?
Wait, no, I'm reading the rules.
The rules in
Yeah,
the
I'm reading
book.
the rules.
Ooh, I want one. I want
I want the pink one. Bro,
I want this green one.
how do I grab anything?
Yeah, I don't know what this shit's about. I
How do I grab?
don't know where my files are.
I don't know. I don't play computer.
I can't. How come I can't whistle? Whistle, baby. I don't even have an
Wait,
interact
look, we're
button.
Matcha Blossom.
Holy shit! Okay, we
I
gotta
don't
find
have.
Chris before it's night.
I don't have an interact button. I think my game is broken.
Chris.
And the timer is not moving. If it's supposed to.
Gonna grab you a lemon. Oh, whoops. Wait, that's not mine.
Can
Okay.
you blow my whistle, baby? I can't find my friends.
Chris, look. Look.
I hate IKEA. I hate it.
Chris, whistle. Oh, wait, you can't.
I can't.
You're like a vegetable.
Oh, I'm literally about. Oh, can we say that?
Yes.
Say that? Okay, I'm literally a vegetable.
Chris, it's okay. My channel's not for the woke.
Dude, we
Oh.
scored!
Oh my god, look at all this hot dogs. I like hot dogs.
We
Hot dogs.
Everything
scored!
is
Family, live,
loading
laugh,
still.
love.
I think everything is still loading.
Live, laugh.
Oh, I
Come check
see.
this out.
Buttons. Oh, aha!
Live, laugh,
Buttons.
love.
The buttons don't work though. All I can afford to do is jump. Are my graphics
Chris.
high? No, they're literally at 0.
Dogs. I like hot dogs. Hot dogs.
I want a hot dog. Feed me the Frank.
Okay, my graphics are low. Let me turn my game up.
Wait.
Is that supposed to happen? Is that supposed to look like
Oops.
that?
Wait.
I hate IKEA.
No, wait. What the fuck? I can't drop the hot dog.
You don't have a hot dog.
What? Swear to God, I'm holding a hot dog.
You're not.
No. No, I'm taking a screenshot. Wait, pose for the camera. I swear to God, I'm holding a hot dog in
Where are
my
my
hands
friends?
right now.
I only seen one guy, and I don't even.
Chris,
Freaking
whistle,
boo boo.
Chris.
If I'm whistling, I can't hear it.
Oh no. I've got a hot dog stuck in my hand.
Bruh, you got that wiener in your hand.
Bro.
Oh, it's
No,
dark.
Chris, no.
I'm gonna die. It's Jover. I'm whistling.
Marco.
Hello.
Marco.
Hello.
No, they're cooked.
Whoa.
It's over.
It's
It's so
wrapped.
over. I don't even. It's wrapped. GG's or whatever.
GG.
I took the table.
GG.
Will this get rid of my hot dog curse?
I was just
How do you rotate? Yay!
nothing's happening. I'm still walking around. Maybe they'll
I'm
leave.
free.
Maybe they feel sorry for me.
I'm free from the dog.
Maybe
I
the
woke
scary
up
monsters
in
feel sorry
Chris
for me and
Brown's
they won't get me.
body.
Like, oh damn, this bitch can't walk. They can't whistle. Oh, oh,
Do you see
things are
Jonesy?
loading in. Things are loading. There's sounds now.
Jonesy Fortnite. You
Where?
see?
Where?
You see? Right here?
I don't see anything.
Jonesy Fortnite?
No, these are Ditos.
No, look down, right down, right
Oh
down.
my god!
Jonesy Fortnite.
Dude.
You
And
like
then
Jonesy?
Thomas.
Yes, you like Thomas?
Oh,
I like
who's that?
Thomas.
Who that? Who that? I don't know who that is. I only care about finding my pals.
We have ops.
Oh. Oh dear. I hear it now. I hear things.
Chris, blow that whistle.
Sweet.
Weak ass whistle.
I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked.
Okay, where the fuck did you go? Oh, you're all the way down there.
You see me? I don't
Hey,
know where you guys are,
hey,
and I'm really scared to turn around.
hey,
Chris, can you whistle?
hey. Oh, oh, oh,
I'm
oh, oh,
trying.
oh,
Stop
oh,
provoking the enemy.
oh.
I'm not turning around. I don't even want to. It's so over.
Oh, Chris, I just wish we could find you. Oh God.
Ah! No! No! Get away! Holy poop! No! Oh, I slid. Yes, the store's closed. I know. I'm out. I'm trying to leave. I'm stuck for harvest. Holy shit!
I will hunt for Chris.
Oh, I see shrimp! I see shrimp! I see shrimp! No!
What? Chris, where are you? Where are you? Do you
I
see them?
saw shrimp for a little bit. Oh, it's over. Oh god, everything hurts. I see
Oh,
shrimp in
no.
the distance, I think. I see shrimp's name.
Chris.
I woke up
It's
in
getting
Chris
further and
Brown's
further.
body.
Ow. Oh. I'm almost there. I think. I don't know. Uh,
I don't see Chris anywhere.
Me neither.
I see you guys.
Oh, Chris!
Chris,
Chris!
come on. Chris.
How the fuck do I get up there?
Up here, up here.
Wait, let me slow down. Oh shit. I keep missing my jumps.
Look, 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 look. It's Thomas with train engine.
Yeah, and Jonesy from Fortnite.
Where's Jonesy?
The other side.
Holy shit. Ah, damn.
Chris, you survived the night.
Oh, I'll take you away. Oh.
Why is my
Ow.
health going
Why am I
down?
dying? Why?
What?
Oh,
Okay.
we're cold. We're cold. We're super fucking cold.
It was really chilly.
How the fuck do we get warm?
Oh, I'm dead.
Uh-oh. My friends have died to the storm. Day 1.
This really hurts. And I can't get any warmer.
I'm
Do I just have to
alone.
keep moving?
I don't know where they are, and I don't know when they will return.
Oh no, running is making it worse. Okay. Oh, it hurts. Okay, I died again.
This is like cold front.
How the poop am I supposed to get warm?
I'm inside of a bunk bed.
I'm underneath a bunch of people. I don't even know how these people got up here.
Okay, now we know that we have to prepare for fucking snow. If I had known this would happen, I would have packed myself a jacket.
Oh, that's a good one.
I'm in someone's hideout.
See the Big Bang Theory. Oh, whoops, did I take someone's thing? Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. How do I put this down? I can't
my
drop
friends.
it. Oh.
How I wish I could find you. Me and Saul Goodman.
I keep accidentally grabbing their Big Bang TV. I feel so bad. I can't drop it. This game is so boo boo.
Oh my god. Dude, when Shrimp died, she dropped a shit ton of lemons.
I accidentally keep. I'm with these people. I keep taking their Big Bang Theory TV.
Oh shit.
How do I find you?
I'll whistle a
Oh my
storm.
god. I am. I am an utter disaster. It's time for me to go. Okay, where are my friends?
There's a man here.
Where are my pals? Oh.
Why is it snowing, bruh? Says the Wraith? Wait, like Reaper?
Where are my friends? I don't care about this right now.
Ray, whistle.
Who is this guy? I did. I promise. There's a man here.
Freaking poopsie holes.
I'm whistling. I don't
I'm
see you, my
whistling.
friends.
Hear my whistle, baby. Whistle.
Oh, I see Shrimp.
Oh, I see Shrimp too. Can't you guys hear me whistling?
Oh fuck. No. No. No.
Oh,
No.
poop.
No. 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 No.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
My
Oh,
friends are
no.
getting slimed.
I can't get around these people. Oh, poop. Okay, I see shrimp.
Oh my god, there's a midget.
Oh, poop. I lost my friends. I think it's just time for me to throw in the towel.
I see shrimp. Shrimp, this away, this away.
I don't know which way this way is. Can't see anything.
I see you both. Wait, I must retrieve my friends. I will run for you guys.
Oh man, I'm getting a little hungry. Oh, I see you, shrimp.
Oh, Chris, watch out. There's a guy trying to get up here.
Oh, poop. Why am I crouched? Okay. Oh, I did a little dance.
Hi guys.
Oh, Chris and Ray.
Whoa, there's a guy.
Yeah,
Oh, I
he's...
see the guy.
The base is just down that way.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Watch out for that tiny little thing.
I did a slide.
Ooh. I will have this one.
Blow my whistle, baby, whistle, baby.
Oh no.
Oh, poo. Oh,
You
poo.
can close that mouth.
Close these nuts.
Oh
How
my
about
god.
that,
How the fuck
Buster?
did he get up here?
How did he get...
I mean the whistle.
No. Fuck off.
Ow!
They're all up
Excuse
here.
you.
They're all up here. No. Aha.
Oh. Oh, it's uh.
How did they get up?
Close. How much you close the? Ow! I'm fighting for my life with my health.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video here.
Goodbye, every pony.
Goodbye, friends. Goodbye.
Please don't touch me.